'cause everything I want is standing right in front of me.
Sacrifice your soul just for redemption. Say your grace and fall onto your knees. Pray, heathens are gods, we don't need idols. We decide the faith that we believe. You got the eyes of a devil, but the body of a saint. Baby, I'm a sinner when you're pushing up on me. And I got a secret here for you. I guess I must admit that I'm a devil too. Eyes of a devil, but the body of a saint. Baby, I'm a sinner when you're pushing up on me. 'Cause I got a secret here for you. I guess I must admit that I'm a devil too. sacrifice your soul just for redemption. Say your grace and fall onto your knees. Pray, heathens are gods, we don't need idols. We decide the faith that we believe. Got the eyes of a devil, but the body of a saint. Baby, I'm a sinner when you're pushing up on me. And I got a secret here for you. I guess I must admit that I'm a devil too.
Good morning, guys. Hehe. Good morning, everyone. Oziam, Neil, on follow here. Good morning, buddy. Thanks for your follow. Baltus here. Hobby, I just call you Hobby Man. And Changlin and Paris, how you doing, guys? Oh, got it. Whoop. Last day of the week, man. What a volatile day yesterday, huh? Crazy, but yeah, markets are crazy. Good morning, Yase, Jose. Don't know where you're from. Good morning, Kenneth. How you doing? So gotta check. Music is not too loud, right? Music is not too loud. Everything is fine. Everything is good. Anthony, good morning. Wait, got it. So, gold is not going up. Music is too good. Morning, how are you? Javad, I'm very good. I'm very good. Belea, Burrito, gold is not going up. Yeah, we gotta wait a bit. Could retrace. I expected more momentum to the upside. DXY is nicely dropping. Could come up with another retracement, then gold should actually go up. We had the news yesterday. We know we have a bearish US dollar so far, and yeah, I think we just gotta be patient. I could retest this area. I mean, as always, it's Friday. We had a good week, and I will manage everything aggressively. So if I see that gold is not willing to continue the breakout that we see here out of this contraction and does not form a third wave to the upside, this 1 2 3 4 pattern, 5 wave pattern, then we're just gonna execute. Close the trade. But it's very likely because you see all the major pairs are going up. Odd USD is going up. By the way, how does odd entity look like? Odd entity 60% on Euro USD because of the news yesterday, and it's very likely that gold goes up because yeah, US dollar is dropping. Pretty good sign overall. We follow the trend, and when we see such a strong retracement here, we had a 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, ABC here, or ABC, which is right there. This is WXY, so this is ABC, which is X, ABC, which is X. And we got this ABC DE pattern. This is Y, and this should be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, so it should go to the upside. But yeah, as always, it's a very volatile market. It's just a great opportunity we can take. Odd entity finally broke above this resistance again, so we good in profit here. Euro USD going up. It's too bad that I didn't get my GBP USD trade yet. I actually wanted to execute it long yesterday, but it was just too volatile after the breakout here. So yeah, we probably won't get the chance. Entity cat just retraced a bit. Remember, the market just opened, so it can still be a bit volatile. And yeah, we just gotta be patient. We have to be patient. So if, look, this can just be, when you look at it, just be a retracement here, a rejection retracement, so some profit saves of those who bought here, and then it could go up again. The momentum looked pretty well. The momentum, I like that. And let's see, could be a retest of the trend line here, and then it goes up. We've got to be patient with this trade, as always. Jeremy, my spider sense telling me to long USD in short gold, thinking this moves as a fake out. Man, your spider sense were good last time, so use it if you want to. My spider sense. What the hell? No. Wait, I'm looking for the news to show you. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 1 see that the yields here also tend to, I mean, we don't have the current data now, but the yields are at this strong resistance area here. So when you look at this and the previous reaction forming this double top, it's likely to see a drop of the yield. So if the yields really drop, gold will go up as well. So if we have a DXY continuation to the downside and a yield drop, then gold will probably go up. But yeah, let's see. As always, it's a very, very news driven, volatile market. We always got to, you know, be carefully when we trade. I'm also long on silver as posted. US interest rates remains low. It means gold to the moon. Well, you know, when the Fed says, I mean, the inflation was a bit higher than expected yesterday, but if the Fed says we do, and the European Central Bank as well yesterday says we do everything to you know, support the economy, it basically means we print as much money as we need, you know, to provide enough liquidity to the market. And that means, first of all, further rate cuts not to be expected. DXY is gonna drop, and it means that the market or the Fed is going to, you know, print more money, and that's a very, 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 very dovish statement. So yeah, everything, at least the fundamentals, they are against DXY. And when we look at DXY yesterday, you remember what I said yesterday? Like, I've posted that yesterday, man. I should have called another long on Euro USD yesterday when there was this fake out. I mean, we finally see the break of these strong lows. Wait, I'm gonna remove all this. See the break of all these lows here in the daily chart. It's a trend continuation. I know that everyone is always looking for you know, a opportunity to buy to buy the dip, but if the fundamentals are not, you know, in favor or in your favor when you go long here, then you should consider to close it. We see this support area here, and it looks like it is going to break through right now. I mean, you know, it's Friday. Market has been waiting for these news all week. That's why it has been so volatile. And yeah, you see the breakout is happening right here in DXY, and this will be the next wave. This is a 1 2 3 4 flat type of correction, 5 wave pattern to the downside after this contraction here. See, we have an A B C D E X. See, A B C D E, ups, X, fake contraction, and then this 1 2 3 4 potential 5 wave pattern to the downside with a breakout below the trend line and this strong support area. Plus we have this downtrend here. Not that accurate, wait. And this entire week, and this is how we could really nicely use these fake outs in our favor, was when you look at the, wait, where was it? Let's take the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's the 1 hour chart. Yeah, you've seen this breakout here. This breakout first here. Then I remember we wanted to go long here. Then the market made this fake out again, because you see how the market always struggled during the London session here. This is the London session, struggle, struggle, struggle. And yesterday, this has been the London session, struggle, struggle, struggle. And this has been the key support area here for the intraday, structure. This. And we always seen these fake outs, and these fake outs are usually what do the big players do when they come with fake outs? Stop loss fishing. Same thing yesterday, and then boom, it goes down. And this is how we were able to catch the dips of Euro USD when I've seen these fake outs here yesterday, these fake outs. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna go down, and obviously it has to drop. It has to drop below this support area of the space here, and then we're gonna then Euro will probably go to moon. gold as well, and this is gonna be a problem for the German economy probably. NZD CAD going up, looks good. CHF JPY is a little bit, I think I'm gonna close it soon if it doesn't move away from the point of control to the upside because of the previous news. If it doesn't drop. This week and last week been very good for all the trades which you post. Thank you for that. You're the best. Oh, buddy, I'm glad you actually followed them and made profit. That's the important point. Thanks for your feedback. Is the silver trade on that you are going to keep open a long time and just stack positions when it drops? I think I'm gonna. I don't know. It depends on how the market moves today and what kind of news we get. I think I'm gonna take profit if at least for my I have a short-term trade and I have a long-term trade, like I'm stacking. I think I'm going to take some profit for the short-term trade and then stack more for the long-term trade. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to, you know, stay with too much risk in this market. That's why I probably will take some. Now, volatile markets are very nice for short-term trades. And silver actually looks good. This is the silver analysis I've made here, and we see the breakout, now the retest with a fake below this contraction, the trend line again. Now we above again, and now we have to break this high. If we break this high, silver will fly as well. Probably. But let's see. Look, gold now with a nice support here. Should go up, man. If DXY continues to move down, it will go up. Pretty sure. Now we finally see here. Oh wait. Euro USD finally continued the breakout here. Finally. So I think there's a high potential to the upside still. So NZD CAD, come on, buddy, come on, push up. And CHF JPY as well, go up. By the way, what about Euro NZD? What is Euro NZD doing? And NZD CHF still active. If you guys are still in, I don't know. I closed it. I took the profit. But if you guys are still in, oh man, Euro JPY was boom. Down with the buy stop order. If you were still in. Yeah, it's kind of struggling here. Okay, odd NZD, and that's what I like. Seems to find support here right now. Really like that. I don't know why my analysis is gone, but it's basically, it is this trade. Come on, hit the first target, please do it. So retest of the trend line, then we gotta see what's gonna happen. DXY now retesting this area here. That's what I mean. There might be some pressure, and we might get the chance to actually maybe buy Euro USD, because you can see there's a strong support area here. But I'm gonna delete this. Man, too much shit here in the chart. This is a nice support area here. There's a nice resistance. So we could actually look at the smaller time frame, and we want to trade it, wait for the pullback here back to this area here, and go long after the break of this flag pattern. It looks like a flag here. In the smaller time frame, you see it's a 1 2 3 4 5 and A B C, this correction. And this could be another 1 2 3 4 5 wave pattern. Trend line is here. Let's have a look at the volume. Point of control is here. We see chasing volume, very nice, very healthy sign for an uptrend here. Lots of demand coming in here. as you can see. And yeah, clearly lots of buy pressure eating all the sellers. Looks pretty healthy for me. Here is the trend line. Wait. Yeah, very nice reaction here. You see this here, fake out, back above the trend line, forming a higher high. Now we need a higher low. Now we could actually execute this trade and go for a scalp trade right there, aiming for this top. Stop loss should be below the 61.8% retracement and this point of control here, right there. And overall we can expect, wait, this is the first wave. Yeah, it's right at the 161 extension level. Very nice. Right side like that. It's a potential fan. This will be one. Oops. Two. And we want to trade the third wave. Three. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. That's the plan. Look, retest of trend line here at gold. Pretty nice. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. CHF, JPY recovering back above the point of control. Very nice. My NZD cat is a bit struggling. That's a bit annoying here. But overall, nice one. Good chance. Would it be a good idea to buy GBP JPY since it has reached support? Yeah, like I posted the news, right? So it's always, you know, kind of risky to trade against JPY right now. This is why I only have one trade open, but with a JPY. This has caused the spike. I posted the news on Telegram, and that was caused the spike here. You can overall compare, you know, the current performance of it. So looking at, for example, you can look at USD JPY. You know, when you see, USD is generally falling, but USD JPY, for example, is struggling to follow the, you know, the current sell pressure of DXY. Then you see, JXY seems to be strong. There's a lack of demand. So wait, where's GBP JPY? CHF JPY going up? Okay. Wait a bit. Wait. GBP JPY, yeah. Generally, we have a strong GBP. You can also look at here, finwiz.com. I can post that link again for you if you're looking for cross pairs to trade. Generally see the performance here. GBP and JPY are pretty equal here, or they have been equal. I don't think that this calculation includes the previous, you know, move to the downside, because it's the 1 day relative performance. I'm not sure, it hasn't changed yet. It hasn't changed so far. So when I see DXY is dropping, USD JPY finds support, then I know, okay, it's very likely that other JPY pairs will, you know, go up. Very, very likely. Wait, daily chart. Yeah, I would be carefully right now. A little bit. Look, there's a strong resistance area here. I will wait for the breakthrough here. I will not trade it personally. I don't want to trade too much anymore. We had a great week and we still have open positions. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open positions. Almost all of them are green except gold right now. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 open positions here. So I don't want to add too much risk anymore, you know. It's not necessary for me personally. I would consider to, yeah, like I said, long Euro USD. That's one plan. I would definitely trade if we get the retracement. If not, I stay out. We had a good week so far, so I don't want to, like I said, don't want to add too much risk here. Now I gotta write down the trades that I've posted, that we executed. I just don't feel the, desire to execute too many trades. So now I got it. Just writing down the trades for the recap. And this is how the performance looks like for now. I'm just adding the current positions for the recap on this weekend. So we still got open positions, so I don't want to add too much trades into that, and rather focus on the trade management. But is it actually a support level? Wait. Oh, GBP JPY, here's the resistance. Oh. Yeah, if it breaks above the resistance, we can consider to go long. But overall, risky. Lydia, good morning. I see Cassie, Jeff, and Shaw. What's your mind? Cassie, Jeff, I'm really not the biggest fan of it. Possible, it could be a triple top pattern here, right? We see there's a potential triple top here at the strong resistance area. Possible scenario, what I would wait for is, I don't know what time frame you trade. See, the market is kind of finding support here. It's risky. If I would short it, I would wait for the breakdown below this support area. This support area. And obviously the trend line. So I want 120 full retracement level. Yeah, I would wait. I would wait a bit, to be honest. It's not moving. Yeah, if you want to short it, I would do it here with a break below this trend line and this support area here. So basically this one. You see previously, look, it's really risky to execute in this area generally, because you see how the market is always showing you know, more and more demand here whenever it hits that area after the breakout. Here, look, and very uncertain. So I would be carefully here. If you see a breakout, you definitely want to see more distribution of volume. What I like to see is yeah, there's not much open interest here. There's a sell cluster, and yeah, their sell is following. Could be an opportunity, but I will personally not trade it. I will personally not trade it. You see, there's a lack of demand here, and what I also like to see is this huge buy power, but no demand or no moves to the upside. I've learned fake out trades from you. These always make me to end in green. Fake out trade are the best to take. Javad, yeah man, fake outs are very nice to trade, because you always see where the big players are taking out taking the liquidity, you know. They're very great. Also, these are also my favorite setups. So I'm waiting for Euro USD right now to retest this area. I hope we're gonna see some retracement here. Hey Ramani, how you doing, buddy? I see you using the mom div indicator a lot, but I'm not able to find a video explaining how to use it. Could you explain if you have the time? Yes, I really oh nice, look, now it's moving up. Come on, buddy, come on, do it. What I do actually is by the way, there is an explanation. You often see and this is how I identify great fake outs, and that's what I do. You often see a divergence of momentum, and this indicator indicates it, showing it. When you have momentum to the downside, but the price actually goes up, then you have a divergence. And when you have momentum to the upside, and I compare this with the ATR here, with the ATR, when you have a move to the downside and momentum to the upside. And I also combine this with volume. It would be a bit too much to explain all of this right now, but this is a setup I use. Maybe we can do a live session about this, because it doesn't work just, you know, alone. I use this indicator in combination with the ATR and with the volume and the volatility. So I look at volatility, momentum, and the volume. So it's kind of hard to, you know, explain this quickly right now. But overall, what I'm looking for are, like I said, I'm always looking for these fake outs. And when I see these fake outs, what I want to see is, I want to see a lot of volatility towards the resistance, yeah, with an immediate low open interest after the breakout or the fake out at the peak. Then I want to see a divergence of the momentum with immediate sell pressure and no bulls are following. And the ATR has to be, you know, very high, like out of average almost, you know. So combined with this and the volume, I often get very nice setups to trade. But like I said, it would be too much. This would take like an hour maybe to explain you everything about this. So I think it's not the best time to do this right now. Can you please look at silver as well? Stefan, are you German or what or Stefan? How do I pronounce your name, man? I want to know where you're from. I have a silver analysis, and I'm also silver long here. This is my silver analysis. I think when I open the chart right now, I won't have it anymore. It will be gone, probably. Silver, or is it still here? No, it is gone, of course. But I can send it to you, and then we can analyze it again. Yeah, I'm long on silver. You see this hold on, this clean breakout, and with the US dollar weakness, it is very likely to see metals going up. So yeah, we had a first of all, we were finding support at this strong key support level here in the weekly chart, and this has like confirmed my expectation for long. Had a strong resistance here. Now look at the weekly, strong resistance, and then a fake out below this key support level. Look at this fake out here, fake out, and then we found support. Very nice example of a breakout, stop loss fishing because overbought. Finding support means volatility is going down, and there's more accumulation, smart money coming in, and then the breakout. That's what I expect. And when you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see this has been my first wave. Hold on, first or second, that was the third wave, fourth and fifth wave here. That was the entire impulse, and now you see this breakout here, this and this trend line with a fake out below. Like this. And this has been a contraction here. Hold on. This has been a breakout, retest with a fake out to the downside, now expected to go up. Important is that we see a breakout above this resistance now. What is gold, by the way, doing? Again, rejecting off. Yeah, DXY could still dance a bit. This is the key resistance here in the weekly chart, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it was, yeah, 5 wave. Expect an A, B, C, and all this is the W, X, Y pattern. There's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Yeah, A, B, C. And I had this A, B, C. Yeah, A, B, C. And all this is a W, X, Y, or A, B, C. However, whatever you prefer. And yeah, this correction should be done, and we should see a breakout here. That's what I expect to happen. Okay guys, phone is ringing, hold on. Look at the CHFJPY, yeah. Hold on, I think it's my girlfriend, because she's at the supermarket. Be right back.
The dreams we sold, they live forever. The highs and lows, the money owed, I'm getting better. 'Cause I need more to face the cold. I stop my heart and let it go. Break the mold and let it go. Oh, oh, just give me the green light. Tell me if it's alright. Just give me the green light. Just give me the green light. I'm begging you this
Okay, yeah, it's Friday. You know what's going on. We had a little break, but you know that I will have to go for a couple of minutes, in like 5 minutes, to carry up the stuff from the supermarket my girlfriend just purchased. And yeah, when she's here in like, or she will be here in like 5 minutes, and then I will have to go for a couple of minutes, and then I will be back. Stefan, South African, you said it exactly right. Nice, South African. I got friends from South Africa, but they live in Germany at our horse farm. What input values do you use on the session volume? Dude, it depends on the time frame you're looking at. Because look here, I mean, you can use the ticks per row, but you obviously don't want to look at ticks when you check out, for example, the 1 hour time frame. As ticks, you know, is what you need for scalping. Like when you look at the 1 minute chart, the 5 minute chart. So you take the numbers of row. You can also take the ticks, but the higher the time frame is, you know, the smaller the ball profile has to be, like, or the more prices you want to include into the volume profile, right? So it always depends on the time frame you're looking at. Like, look, when I get into the 5 minute chart, you see ticks per row is pretty good, and I take number of rows. You got this. This is not really helpful. So it depends on the time frame, but overall I got volume up down. You can also take total if it confuses you, so you don't have the sell and the buy volume in here. You can extend the point of control. I sometimes have the developing point of control in it and the volume area, but I mostly use different rows outs, and I switch the row size depending on what time frame I take. Got up and down and value areas at 70, so it's standard. That's what I use. Okay, CHF JPY. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Look at this. Now it's going up. Buddy, please take a look at USD ZAR. Man, USD ZAR is very tricky to trade in the current market when I look at the correlations, you know, because what you might have seen is that USD ZAR went up when DXY went down, when the US dollar was struggling, right? That's what you've seen. Why is that? Because the emergency market, yeah, benefits from the DXY weakness, because they have a lot of debts in the USA, and what they can do, or what they do when the, you know, when the exchange rate is going down, they can pay back the debts. Means there's way more demand in USD than in ZAR, even though the US dollar is going down. Does that make sense for you? So it's stood out of USD ZAR and the emergency market. Look at USD Tri, for example. Best example. Look at USD Tri, man. It went up like hell when DXY went down. You know, when I got this divergence or no confluence in terms of correlations, then I just stay out, you know. Then I'm not really a big fan of it. So that's why I didn't trade USD ZAR or USD Tri, or, you know, all these emergency markets or countries that have a lot of debts in the USA, because you got this divergence. But overall, when you look at it, it's really hard for me to predict the move here. We see there's a breakout. It could go up again. Here's a nice support area. It could go up, bounce up from here, but I personally won't trade it. You know, personally won't trade that one. Makes sense. Quite right on the depth issue. Cat JPY. Okay, Cat JPY, Cat JPY. I've been looking at Cat JPY a long time now, and I always seen some potential setups, but they never got confirmed because of the whippiness in the market. There's only one setup. Okay, we could have traded it. The first setup I had was that one, this breakout here. This breakout, I expected it to go up because of this. I don't want to like take the entire wave count or make the entire wave count again, but this was the correction here, and we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern flat type of correction. And since the market was so whippy and we had the news ahead, I said, no, I'm gonna stay out because we already had a lot of trades and I didn't want to trade too much in this market. We had a good week and I said, nah, let's don't increase the risk. And what you see, or what my setup was this potential breakout here. There's my girlfriend, guys. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. So yeah, that was my idea here, and then I've seen the breakout here. I've considered to go long, then it went down again, and then when it was Lucy, then it was kind of choppy in the 1 hour chart, and I said, nah, I'm gonna stay out here because we had the news ahead, and I was like, nah, let's stay out. Then I wasn't really monitoring this chart anymore. But now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern. It could continue to correct with an A, B, C pattern. Look, DXY continues to break down, very nice, but not good for our Euro USD trade that we wanted to execute, and not good for the GBP USD trade we wanted to execute. And here you see another nice example of how you can use the volume profile. Look, we definitely see how the market is chasing the price. Look, you see this? More and more volume coming with higher prices means the market is accepting higher prices, and we see a lot of accumulation here. A lot of accumulation. That's how you can use the volume profile. Pretty good. Good for gold, good for CHF JPY, good for NZD CAD. Or should be good. Good for the NZD USD if you're still in, good for silver. I don't know whether you're still in USD JPY or not. And by the way, this is why I wouldn't trade Euro USD JPY, because if DXY is going down, and look, USD JPY struggles to follow DXY, and this is indicating JXY weakness, or JPY weakness, means pretty good for the CHF JPY trade. Means you could definitely consider to go to GBP JPY now long. Consider to if it breaks above this area again. But you know, USD JPY is not the best pair to trade when you see there's DXY weakness or US dollar weakness, and you see a weak JXY. So you kind of trade two weak pairs against each other. That's not what you want to do. If DXY drops, then you can, you know, be sure that the major pairs are going up, like Euro, Australian dollar, NZD, US dollar, and GBP US dollar, you know. And if they go up, or these major pairs go up, and JXY is weak as well, then you have better chances to make profit when you trade Euro JPY, GBP JPY, AUD JPY, NZD JPY. You know? You know what I mean? Does that make sense to ya? Oh, too bad, man. We didn't get it. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, guys, be right back. Like I just announced, I have to carry up the stuff from the supermarket. Be right back in like 5 minutes, and then we continue. I'm gonna keep CHF, JPY, no, gold. I'm gonna keep gold open as it is way more exciting. So I'll be right back. Hab ich gerade gesagt. Du Spast. Okay, I'm back. Good morning, FX. Mob. Hope you're feeling great. So looks good so far. Like I said, too bad that we didn't get the opportunity to catch Euro USD, but I won't chase it. I won't chase the wave. If the plan's not playing out, then we skip it. It's the way it is. We actually don't need to force anything. I also was looking at Euro JPY, and there I already see, look, Euro JPY is stronger than GBP JPY. Probably Euro GBP going up. Yeah. They can already see the performances, like if we compare two major pairs. Euro JPY going up here. Well, let's see if we can actually get a chance to short it. So odd NZD has found its support. Very good, and gold breaks through as expected. Momentum was pretty obvious. CHF JPY found support at the point of control, means big players were using taking advantage of all this liquidity and will probably push the price higher, probably. And yeah, we were looking at CAS CHF, right? So the only chance I see for buy is when the market retests this area here, because then we would have an A, a potential B, and could trade the B wave. So we follow the primary trend, or in this case it would be the insignificant trend, which is the correction of the correction, but we follow the primary trend, which is the uptrend. So yeah, maybe a good chance here to go long. Hmm, 61, yeah, 161 extension level. This will be exactly the 61.8% retracement. And the cat kind of struggling. Come on, CHF JPY, move. Silver moving up very nicely. So this might be a chance that I see. Look, it's also here a very nice support level here. Yeah, this would be a nice one. By the way, if you wanna, this has been ABCDE here. The breakout ABCDE. 1, 2. Yeah, that was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to complete it a bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we had the contraction here, or the long, very long correction or consolidation. ABC. So this has been ABC. Du brauchst jetzt deine Unterwäsche?
Soll ich noch verwenden lassen?
Huh?
Soll ich noch verwenden lassen?
Hmm? No, wait, this is... Let me see. Classic X wave. Yep.
So ich habe heute zweimal geguckt.
Time to confess, it's as good as it gets. It'll have to do. You sang along to my favorite songs. Yeah, what could I do? This love.
The mug was exactly waiting to retest the 61.8% retracement area. Come on, CHF. Gold breaking through, cat breaking through, USD JPY going down, DXY going down, cat JPY USD, silver going up, nice. Do you have some short of TP for silver? Yes, I'm aiming for this high here. TP1, TP2, TP3 here at this top. But like I said, long term I don't really have in TP. I'll just look how the market behaves and how the circumstances change in the market. But for the short term trade, I do have for the short term I have the $29 area in mind. I wait, catch JPY, so yeah, this would be a potential setup here. Could even be an equal one here. Considering that this is the low, or it's likely that this is the low. And I would not aim for a higher high. I would just take profit here, this key area, key level here. Which would give us a nice risk reward. Okay, not the point of control. Nee, grad nicht. Nee, grad nicht. Ja, lass mich mal bitte in Ruhe eben. Generally, I'm comparing right now. JPY moves. I'm gonna write this down. This would be a setup that we could trade, but we'll look for the 1 or ATR. Yeah, volatility is really high right now. Yeah. Okay, it's at 14 pips. This is 26 pips almost. Gonna write this down. Find support, buddy. Find support. Choppy chop. So where I want to buy? I want to buy at 8,900. Euro USD already rise by 0.8%. So 8,900 here. This is what I want to buy. Round number. I like that. The point of control is here, not chasing. 61%. Key support level here. Support level area, potential area is here. So we don't want it to break below the trend line in this area. So that's good space we're giving it. Maybe extend it a bit to 28 pips because the average true range is at 14 pips. We have twice the volatility as the stop loss level. That's a decent one. So the stop loss should be at 880, 625, 625. The first target, we don't want to be too greedy, but it should be risk reward 1. Should be here at the point of control right there. So the first target is at 81, 185. The second target is here at this top. The 61.8% retracement level here at this potential resistance, 81, 325. And the last target is here at the top. Here at the top, which is at 81, close to the round number, 81,590. This is, again, let's calculate the stop loss level again, but as always I want to see confirmation by the volume. 900 minus 86.5 is 27.5 pips. 27.5 pips, that is okay. Risk reward is at 2.45. CHF-JPY a bit struggling. Come on, gold, silver, continue. Move up, move up. This is my preparation here. I send it to you. You just have to be carefully with the news. The previous news. Okay. So Balti, you are Euro GBP long. Yeah, like I just said, it's very likely that the current performance is showing that Euro is stronger than GBP, but yeah, I found support here at this key support level. Pretty good, but could just be a retracement again. Like I don't trade it. I won't trade Euro GBP. It's too choppy for me, and the market is already choppy. And it's telling you guys, man, trading on your own is something else, man. When you send signals and you feel the responsibility, then you only look for really, like, you know, safe calls. I mean, there's nothing safe, you know what I mean. But you're looking for safer trades. So what I try to avoid in a volatile market, I try to avoid even volatile assets like Euro GBP. Because extra volatility is not what I need when I post signals. It's really not what I need. considering to early exit. If CHF-JPY doesn't bounce off here again, then I'm gonna early exit. Y'all entering the tray right now. Burrito, man, I love to call you burrito. The 7-layer burrito. You mean cat JPY? It's just a preparation, buddy. So I'm not in that trade right now. I'm still waiting for the market to confirm my idea. No, mach das. Okay. You love the volatility. Yeah, but it's, you know, it's easier to manage the volatility by your own. You know, you don't call it. Like, it's also easier when we live stream and we see it live and I can immediately react. But keep in mind that I always gotta let you know what to do. Like, if it's very volatile and it suddenly moves down, I have to, you know, I can just click and close the position or can take profit or whatever, but I have to notify you guys. Like, it takes time, and until then the market can already be, you know, wherever. So it's really not like the best, or these are not the volatile markets, are not the best markets to call trades, to call setups, even to give you instructions to manage them. It's really not the best market for that, you know, because I always have to be quick. Now let's say I'm not sitting in front of the computer, I just on my phone, you know, I read some news or whatever. Then I gotta open MT4, close the position, then I gotta open Telegram and, you know, write down the instructions. It all takes so much time. And when I'm at my horse farm, I have bad internet connection. Sometimes the message gets not sent, you know, and it's really not the best asset to trade when you post signals. You know what I'm saying? Love your beat, so cool, man. Artneil, oh, how do I pronounce this? Artneil Kutama. This is a good live radio, guys. You can check it out if you want. You can check it out yourself. So do we got any news? Japanese PM Abe confirms he will be stepping down as prime minister due to illness and treatment. Confirms he will remain as PM until a successor is appointed. Does not give his endorsement to any potential candidate. Okay, this could be, you know, the yen has been, you know, was spiking up this morning because he announced that he will, you know, be stepping down. And now we see, okay, he confirmed that, but it looks like it still takes some time until he actually, you know, gets replaced. So this could be bad news for JXY, and so the GBP pairs could continue to go up. But let's see. Japanese ruling party member Ishiba is reportedly interested in the LPD leadership, according to NHK. Ishiba has criticized the BOG's ultra low interest rates due to negative effects on regional banks and instead called for boosting spending on public works. Haha, this is a hawkish statement. So if he is interested in the leadership of the LDP and he's criticizing the ultra low interest rate policy or the monetary policy, guess what happens when he gets elected or when he gets the position he wants? The market will expect rate hikes, and that means that JPY will probably go up and have a bright future. So this is something you have to check out. If you trade JPY pairs a lot, you should definitely look at this and make sure that you don't forget about it and look what happens. Because if he's criticizing the ultra low interest rate policy, then he will, with the election of him, or when you get the news that Ishiba will be the next leader or is getting the leadership, just buy JPY. This is what I can recommend, because this will be a news trade. Okay. Yes, it's true. If you need to send 5 messages before you can close it, it could be gone already. That's why I trade on my own. Yeah, that's one part of it. The second part of it, and when you trade on your own responsible for yourself, right? And if you send signals and you have a bad performance, you need to make sure that you don't, get frustrated or that you feel bad, because this will make your trading even worse. It's something you have to learn. There are a lot of scammers out there who don't give a shit whether you're gonna make profit or not. But if you care about, the money of those who follow you, and you see the performance is not good, then it's definitely something that can, cause some trouble for your mindset, your psychology. And this is something you have to learn as a signal provider, really gotta learn this. It's not easy at the beginning. I really struggled with this, guys, because you don't always win, you also lose. Really struggle with this. So right now I'm not really interested in executing further positions. Well, Euro GBP could, maybe I scalp myself, but I don't make any calls. Maybe I will scalp myself. If we get the retracement here, I would aim for that resistance for Euro GBP, sorry. Euro GBP. Because we see with this spike, this could be a fake out here at the bottom. At the bottom, let's go silver. Yeah, let's go silver, and let's go gold. And CHF JPY go up now, right now, go up. Anthony Cat struggling as well. I hate this. Why do you struggle? Why don't you do what we want you to do? So I maybe will scalp it myself right now. I will not call a trade. Like I said, it's a volatile asset. If you want to follow me, do this on your own risk. But I will not give it a call, as this is very risky. I just like this fake out below this key support area here. What you can clearly see is what I'm looking for. This high volatility spike here to the downside, this low open interest, and the sell pressure that has got absorbed by the buyers, and also these divergences. I love them. High volume spike, but almost no impact. That's what I really love. So right now we see accumulation here again. Look, this is the nice divergence I'm always looking for again here. Sell pressure, look at the sell volume right at the point of control, and the big players immediately taking it. Price discovery mode, guys, attracting, sellers to come into the market and immediately taking the liquidity, and it goes up. This is a very, very great sign of stop loss fishing again. So we see volume there's a low volume now, but the volume is definitely increasing here. It means higher prices are accepted. Now we probably see, you know, a load off and some profit saves. The scalpers pushing the price down now, and we're gonna retest this area. But it's a bit choppy, this area, but this would be my favorite price to go in here. Let's see what that is. It is, yeah, close to the 61% retracement level and also close to the point of control. Now I gotta check the trades again, sorry. Entity cat, wow, nice. And catch if you want not doing nothing. Let's go gold. No enter on gold. We already in gold, buddy. I posted the execution this morning. I'm long, as well as on silver, as well as on CHF-JPY, as well as on NZD-CAD. These are the open positions I have open right now. CAD-JPY is just a preparation, so still waiting for it. So back to Euro GB, back to Euro GBP. Looks like it doesn't really want to go down. And you see how the high volume node is slowly forming here. When you see this, then you can expect the market to go even higher. What I like to see is that this impulse is probably done for now. Look, ABC. And this is a 1, 2. Wait, oh, this is pretty choppy, man. 3, 4, 5 pattern with a fake out perfect, and this could be an ABC correction. And there's much space to the top side. 61% retracement level would be in this area. This is a strong resistance area as well. Right there. See. Right there and right there. And we have a breakout out of this trend line here. See, I don't need this right now because the price is already far away. You see, the primary trend line of this current potential correction is here. So there's this lot of space to the upside. I always say mucho espacio to retraso is what we have here. So high volume nodes, where are the high volume nodes? Here, point of control. Look how the point of control chasing here. That's what you always can see here again. But here. Oh, there's a strong resistance here. This will be my target. Don't be hating. You don't want to break the trend line. I know you don't want to. Oh, because Lydia posted that on Telegram. I didn't post that one here because I executed that trade before I even started the stream. So I didn't post it right here. Make sure to join my Telegram, guys. This is where you get the calls. Potential target area here. Could also be SHS, a volatile SHS. So just assuming that this is an SHS and this is the neck area, we would aim for 35 pips. Still holding, nice. But I would like to see a move up, buddy. Entity Cat is struggling so much, man. What the hell is wrong with you? Just do it. Again, point of control. Not great. So yeah, this would be my long setup for Euro GBP. Yeah, that is true, but also the people don't pay, so you don't feel that much pressure because it's free, and the people taking the trade should analyze the trade also to see if they want to take it. Yeah, true. Absolutely. Yeah, but the problem is, you know, a lot of people think that, and this is what this industry, you know, is selling you, and that, you know, that's why you always have the wrong expectations. Is that beginners, or those who look for signals, are often beginners or advanced traders who cannot make consistent profit, right? What they do is they always expect that pros are actually, you know, having a hit ratio of 100% or 90% or whatever, but that's an illusion. So the pros, the real big players, what they have like 40% hit ratio. Been talking to someone, a very big trader at my university. He has said I have a 30 or 40% hit ratio, depends on the market, but my hit ratio is not high, but I make a lot of profit. And his hit ratio is so low because he doesn't let the market run against himself. He's not even trading with the stop loss level. He's trading with market depth, and if he sees, there are too many sellers coming into the market, immediately closes the trade. But you know, you always have the opportunity to re-enter. That's the point. So bad hit ratio of 30-40%, but making a lot of money, means he's not focusing on where's the market going. Yeah, this is just an assumption, but he's you know, taking actions and focuses on what he can actually, or what he has an impact on. I always say this again, you don't have an impact on where the market is heading to. You don't know where the market is heading to. I don't know, man. You could have the best analysis, like the best and cleanest downtrend, and suddenly there's coming a, you know, you see a downtrend in oil and you go short, and suddenly there's a headline saying, oh, a pipeline in Saudi Arabia, wherever, you know, is broken, and we have less supply of oil in the market. Guess what happens? The market goes up, because everything that happens in the world can have an impact on the market and the price. So you never know what's gonna happen. Never. And that's what he knows, and that's why he's not focusing on where's the market going. That's just an assumption. That's just statistics and playing with probabilities. But he can close the trade whenever he wants to. He can take profit. He can cut his loss. He can decide how much he's gonna risk. He can decide when to go in, when to go out. This is what he has an impact on. So there's only this one little puzzle piece, this one little, you know, this analysis in the direction is just like 15 or 20% of the game. And that's why the beginners, you know, join a signal service and have the wrong expectations, because what they learn is, and what a lot of signal providers do say, we have a 95% hit ratio. Come on, guys, join us with a risk reward of 0.21. So, that's not, you know, the truth. And this is the problem when you send signals and someone is joining you and expects you to be on fire and, you know, and to rock every single market, every market condition, and to come up with wins over and over again. Of course you get blamed for that if you lose. Of course, because they think that you are the one who's making 100% hit ratio of 95. The problem is that people see a signal and they take it, and they can take it. I mean, you know, lots of people, they cannot trade on their own because they are on work, they are busy, you know, that this is why they take the signals. And there are those who join a signal service because they want to learn. They take this as a lesson. So they see, they want to compare, what do they see, what do I see, and how does the trade actually plays out, you know? Bro, Japanese pairs are acting weird today. Yeah, it's because of the news that I have shown you. I've shown you the news. Japanese Premier Abe confirms he will be stepping down as a prime minister due to illness. And Ishiba, who wants to be, wants to take or is interested in the LDP leadership, criticized the BOG's ultra-low interest rates due to negative effects on regional banks and instead called for boosting spending on public works. This is so the market currently probably prices in a bright future or a hawkish monetary policy, and expects yen to go up. So Euro GBP. And those are new traders who have high expectations. Yeah, exactly. But there are so many. Damn, what I've seen, man. There's so many Telegram channels with a funnel system. Like they always post something like, "Hey guys, I'm gonna give. It's my birthday, man." I've seen on one Telegram channel. I've seen the message, "It's my birthday." Like I don't know, twice a week. It's my birthday, and I'm gonna give the first 15 people free access to my VIP channel. Then you click on it, then you get into another Telegram channel, and this Telegram channel says, "Hey guys, it's my birthday. I'm gonna give you access to my VIP channel." You click on it again, and you get to another Telegram channel. All they are sending signals. They're not really sending signals, but they post results like from their NT4, like one trade which is blue, or I don't know. Always saying, "Hey, we got copy trade system, we got account management, we make so and so much money, you just got to pay us this and that, just text me." So no matter where you are, you get into so many Telegram channels, and they all promise you at least 90% of hit ratio. Man, this is driving you crazy, because you think I'm a loser because I don't have this kind of hit ratio, and I'm bad, and they all make money, but they actually all scam. They just scam the hell out of you. And that's the issue. And then you have the wrong expectations. And you want this as well. So what you do is you look for a signal provider, and maybe you have a legit one which does not have this 95% hit ratio. And then you get mad. Wrong expectations, my friendos. So now the support has to hold, otherwise I'm out. Come on, gold.
Hey, what you looking for? If you don't know, maybe I could help you unfold it. Don't know how to put it, but if you don't mind, maybe you and I could spend the night here. Since all that you're giving me, you know what you do to me.
By the way, what about GBP NZD? GBP NZD moving. Oh, it was so nice, man. Just the spike yesterday picked us up here. That was so funny. It was like, "Hey, you guys are short? I'm gonna pick you up." Like right there, look, right at the entry. I hope you guys are in, but it's like right here. This spike, this volatility spike, right at 650, or even higher 60s. What's that? 50, almost 60, and we had the sell limit right here. That was amazing. Just picked us up. Hey guys, and profit. Like this, bam, and went down. Like this setup here. Where is it? I hope you guys are in. Like, boom, picked up, now in profit. Perfect. Just perfect. By the way, up here is my short area for NZD CAT. I posted that one as well. I want to take profit here and then look for a short up here. But I posted that, I think it was, that was my long setup. NZD CAT, yeah, this is my sell area here. odd entity is getting a bit annoying. I think I'm gonna, if it breaks through this support, I'm gonna early exit with a little bit of profit. But I'm a nicely profit, I see. Very good. Ramis Ramani. Odd NZD, yeah, that was my long setup. That one. Can post it here to you. Now it's still slightly in profit. It has been close to target 1, shit. But let's see. I think JPY is gaining some more momentum. Let's compare GBP JPY. Yeah, even GBP JPY going down. Euro JPY. Oops. No, Euro JPY. Also going down, even though DXY is dropping. This is indicating a lot of JPY's power. So we should consider to close it if with the next retest. If it's a CHF JPY, we want to see now a retest of the trend line here. And if we bounce off, then we close it almost at break even. That's a fair plan. Anthony, CHF doesn't appear to be going back. Yeah, like I just said, I'm waiting for, if it just immediately breaks through here and we see volatility or momentum coming in, then we close it. Then it's because of the news. Then we rather stay out. So far, you see, it's at the strong support area right there. So this is actually the support area here. So as long as it stays above, this can just, you know, another can be another fake out, but it could also create this SHS pattern. Have to be carefully. So far there's still a low volume area here. We need to wait a bit. So setup is still valid. We still don't have a lower low here. But let's see. This is the support area. Like we can early exit at any time then. Because CHF is usually also very, very strong in this market. SXY. They're very, very strong as SXY, as you can see here. Very strong rally. Oh, we should have balked this breakout, man. We were live when we seen this breakout. We should have balked and hold this breakout. That one. Oh man. Yeah, I will keep an eye on that one. Keep an eye on that one. And then we probably have to skip this one as well. If JXY continues to be that strong. Like I said, I hate this during the US session. You don't get London session. You don't get access to JXY. Oh, odd entity bouncing off again. And USD JPY should really suffer then. Really suffer. Yeah. Oh. We could have gone short again. Look, that was the first short here, target 2 reached, and now boom, again, what the hell. Now it's reaching. GBP JPY short, what do you think? Possible, but I would be carefully with that, because you're basically trading 2 strong pairs again. When you see DXY is weak and GBP is strong and JPY is strong as well, then I don't really like to execute these trades. Now you see JPY go into the strong support. Good day, what did I miss? Good day, good morning, Ronald. Oh, Ron. What did you miss? Nothing so much. We still are in the trades. We are long gold, long silver, still since yesterday, long entity cat, Long CHF JPY. I'm considering to early exit if the support doesn't hold because of the news. What you've missed, important news, but I posted that on Telegram from Japan. This is why JPY is probably still freaking out, but it could take a break, especially when we get further news. Like I said, CHF is usually very strong as well. And I want to see what CAD JPY does here. I want to get the confirmation for that trade. But you can see, look, both is dropping here. It's just JPY power. No, JPY power. Let's see. I want to see a fake out. How much does your news provider cost? 150. That's funny support. Come on, retest here, and then we can eventually exit the trade. Unless this is a fake out, then we stay in. Show us a divergence. I'm gonna keep that one open because this is gonna be interesting. I'll be right back. I gotta get me some pain blockers, man. I got headache today. These freaking cluster headaches are so annoying, guys. I really gotta get to the barber, man. What the hell? I have no time for anything. I'm either here posting signals or I'm at the horse farm, man. My hair is looking like shit. Oh, never mind. Be right back, guys. Gonna get me a pain blocker.
I'm searching for something that doesn't exist, and it feels like my whole life is shrouded in mist. Oh, come away and dance with me, feel the heat of the energy. Oh, run away and find your space. Nothing matters anyway, you know that we could be the kings and queens. You don't have to be alone, and I might be what you need. When I'm with you, anywhere feels like home. Like home. I'm looking for ways to make this okay, but I know it'll get better, and we'll find a way on our own. So come away and dance with me, feel the heat of the energy. Run away and find your space.
Okay, so you see JPY just dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. Gold and silver going up and up and up and up and up. Looks very good, man. If DXY breaks this low, guys, hella hella rally for Euro USD. Okay, it's not holding. Let's see. All I'm waiting for is a fake out. If it's not a fake out, early exit. Wow.
Ever since I closed the door, I've been always wanting more.
Come on, Euro JPY, give me the chance to execute.
Don't know what you're waiting for. Seeking something special. Hold on for a moment. I keep my eyes on the bed. I still believe in miracles.
Wow, this move.
Feelings incomparable.
Come on, Euro JPY, give me the chance to I want to calculate my risk, by the way.
I still believe in miracles. Still believe in miracles.
16, 17 pips.
Can you see what I can see? Glad to find you moving on. Listen to the
And now we gotta be careful. We just got news from the from Europe. EU business climate not as good as expected. So this could obviously mean that. Oh wow, continues to drop. I love catch if you want to drop in. That GBP is stronger than Euro. Oh, let's see. What's Euro doing? Euro resistance and GBP. GBP USD broke resistance while Euro USD struggles at resistance because of the previous news. This is not for my trade. Never mind. I'm gonna take it with a low risk. Oh wow, it's just dropping and dropping. I hope it's gonna retrace a bit so we can early exit. Now I'm gonna early exit. If it retraces now, I'm gonna early exit.
Should've known better. I wasn't trying hard enough. I know that it matters to you. Yeah, I can do better. So let me give you what you want. 'Cause I know that it matters to you. The heat is on, we're all alone. I'll be yours till break of dawn. So baby tonight, let's run all the red lights. The heat is on, we're breathing slow. I'll take you where you wanna go. No limits tonight.
Stop losses.
I'm making moves like I love ya. Yeah, I'm wearing blue like I love ya. I know what you're craving
Oops.
for, so what are you waiting for? Baby, I'm on you like I love ya. Like I love ya. Like I love ya. I got a confession. I'm gonna make you stay in bed and lose all discretion with you. I'll make you feel special, kiss you so you won't forget that my only obsession is you.
Come on, I placed the buy limit.
We're all alone. I'll be yours till break of dawn. So baby tonight, let's run all the red lights.
So for those who were still in,
I'll take you where you wanna go. No limits tonight. I'm making moves like I love ya. Yeah, I'm wearing blue like I love ya. I know what you're craving for, so what
this is
baby I'm on you like I love ya. Like I
so we were long at 66245. So long, we were long right here. Currently 65 pips. Target 3 is at 670. There's the third target. What did I say? I'll catch JPY testing the trend line. Euro GBP almost gets triggered. Did you execute Euro GBP? I don't tell you this. Maybe not. Maybe. Yes, I did. But it's not a trade call. It's a risky trade, guys. Please, if you want to follow that trade, it's not an official call. It's just a trade I do by my own with an aggressive management. I immediately exit the trade if the market doesn't go up and just breaks through. So, like I said, I don't like calling Euro GBP because it's so volatile. So if you execute with me, please manage it aggressively on your own. Come on, give us at least a, if this is a breakout, give us at least a retest. That's what I hate, these scenarios. I heard the MT4 snap around. Oh really? That wasn't Euro GBP. Early exit, which one? Sorry, a bit slow today. I said CHF JPY, but if we don't get the retracement, look at the breakout, man. Not even just through the key support area, just immediate breakout. It's unlucky when you don't get the retracement. Actually, that's pretty unfortunate. Too early exit. I hope I'm gonna get it right now. If not, then we're just gonna get stopped out. That's it. Keep the risk low. Then the win streak is over. Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 win streak, or 9 wins in a row. Now with GBP NZD even 10, because I might close it. 10 wins and 1 lose. Part of the game. Yeah, like I said. Give us a nice retracement, buddy. I can early exit with a low. Thanks for your likes, guys. By the way. Italy sells euro 7 billion versus expected 6 to 7 billion. Okay. So euro JPY looks good. JPY will open up with a huge gap. JXY will open up with a huge gap. Probably somewhere here. But who knows? Who knows?
You make me so crazy. There's something about the way that you move on over to me, yeah.
Who knows?
You make love easy. Never seen it before, but I'm on it more.
It's a 90% hit rate. You should say it to recruit new people. I don't have a 90% hit ratio. Last week we had a very nice hit ratio. Last week we had a 93.3% hit ratio. Only one loser. This week we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 losers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Maybe 14 with goal equals 15, potential winners 16, maybe 17 wins. Let's see. We don't know how the trades will play out, but definitely a positive hit ratio with always a positive risk reward. It was pretty successful this week. Hey people, what days and what time you trading here live? Always Sergio, is that correct, Sergio? Always with the opening of the London session. So it is 9 in the morning my time in Germany. Yeah, always with the opening of the London session on Monday, Wednesday, and on Friday. Now it's 11:30. You know what happens at 11:30, between 11:30 and 11:40? Always get the big moves. Often get the big moves. Come on, Silver. Now break through. Yes, just Sergio. Sergio. Okay, nice. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Now I think it's gonna be like a 70% hit ratio, 70% hit ratio this week. Let's see. That's more than enough. We always trade with a risk reward of at least 2. So you usually need a 50% hit ratio to be very or nicely profitable, you know. Look how weak. There's a strong support area now for GBP JPY plus this trend line. Look. I think I also use Telegram but never was on the stream. Oh, okay, I always post it when I'm live. Just make sure to stay tuned, then you get the message. GBP JPY looks interesting now. But oh, it's so risky to, you see this? It's so risky to trade against JPY right now because of the news. Way too risky. Probably gonna get stepped out. No, the first loser after 10 winners. No, don't do this to me. And GG. Yeah, it's gone. Is it gone? Let's check into 4. No, not yet. Not yet. It's not gone yet. We have the perfect stop loss if it goes up right now. If it goes up. Oh, it stopped out. Oh no, I just wanted to make some exciting music. Here, this Jack Reacher music for exciting moments. Wait. Oh no, this is advertising. I think this is a great music. Jack Reacher, like when it's about to hit the stop loss level, like you feel like this. Please go up. It's the perfect music if the market is about to hit your stop loss level, you take profit. It's getting critical. Next time when we're about to hit the stop loss, then I'm gonna turn on this music. Hello, you're out. Yeah, I'm out too. Ah, shit, the first loser. Never mind. Part of the business. I'm in Euro JPY. Come on. I think we're gonna skip the setup. Okay, I wanted to share these news on Telegram, Never mind. Look how strong JPY, like crazy, man. Just one headline and it's going crazy. Silver crazy, love it. Yeah, silver is great. Just shows some more momentum. Want to see if we see the break above this resistance, the bears will probably give up and we see boom. Boom is what we see. So I can update this, by the way. CHF JPY. No way. Look, a loser. Never mind. Loss. Oh yeah. And that was 40 pips minus. Updated. No.
In a stone I've hidden all the things I really cut through. I've had the choice, but I will never leave. And so I'll fall into an oven, yeah. These walls are made of heat.
Yeah, look at Euro JPY, GBP, moving very nicely. At a buy limit. Come on, gold, freak the hell out, do it. Shoot up.
On my own as the shadow of the man I used to be.
You see JPY suffer so hard. It's crazy.
Believing only in the things I've yet to see.
NZD CAD is also pretty choppy, man. It should break above this resistance soon. Now it's showing some momentum again, as well as alt NZD.
The unknown, all the places that are hidden deep in you. So I'll fall into an oven, yeah. These walls are made of heat. And so I'll fall into a coven, yeah, where you can sink your teeth. So I'll fall into
I'm watching that one closely. Come on, can you break this resistance, please? I think I'm gonna close. Damn, you know what I do, man? I just do a quick scalp trade here. I just do a quick see breakout. I do it for myself. Wait, this is a 15 pips. No, faster. Catch if you want. Tracement is very likely. What's this? Yeah, looks like a fake out here. Catch JPY. I'm gonna do a quick scalp trade here. I'll be right back, guys. Toilet calling me. Whoop.
up the days since I've seen you last. Racking my brain to remember your laugh. I know I have no right to feel this way, cause it was me that pushed you away. But does it make the pain that I feel inside drift away with the changing tide? I know I've said it like a million times, still you don't feel it and I want you back. Don't care how long it takes to get you back. I want you back. I want you back. Can't believe it's been the better part of the year. Nothing feels the same as long as you're not here. And now I know that I can't go on without you here by my side.
Man. Miss Man.
Hope you know the way I feel inside. Would never
Come on, Silver, don't be hating. Oh, look. Oh, GBP JPY looks so delicious, guys. Oh man. The question is JPY over bar right now? It looks really delicious. Such a strong support, resistance, another resistance. Oh man, Amen. Looks really delicious. This has been an A, B, C. This has been the range, A, B, C. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an A, C, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A potential 5 pattern. This is an invalid impulse wave, but so trend line. You're waiting for 6, 7. What are you waiting for? 8, 6, 70. 670. This is where you want to go in? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, possible. You see there's a strong support area here. Let's see. So risky to trade against JPY, guys. I will not make a call at all. So strong. Center. Clean trend channel, actually, a very clean one. I need to check this one still. Put this in. Ticks were going down. Silver going up, nice. Euro GBP. Think I'm gonna, if it's not moving up soon, I'm gonna close it. But GBP JPY, we want to see a fake out. Strong momentum here. No divergence. I would, if I would go long, I would go long here. The stop loss below this fake out or this potential fake out. Like this is the strong support area. Oh, 61 to see, yeah. $78. What we want to do is we want to buy an oversold situation with a fake out. No matter how good or bad the news are, assets can always retrace, because huge moves are causing lots of profit, and lots of profit is causing, in a volatile market, lots of greed and fear that they're gonna lose this profit again. The ATR is at 20 pips. Wow, this is one ATR. Give them space until here. I would actually like to place a buy stop. Let's check the volume. Testing this point of control. Very nice. Those who bought here even add more into the position. It's pretty good. DXY is retracing now, causing some pressure for gold and silver. So if I want to buy, then I want to buy and I want to buy 140, but still just a plan, so I don't execute this one right now. With a very tight stop loss level below this potential fake out. And then aggressive management. But it would give us a very nice risk reward. More than 3. This is 24 pips. Let's calculate it again. Pips. Yes, I also took profit on my short GJ. Nice. Very good. Yeah, currently retracements in DXY. We see how EURUSD is retracing here. Gold, silver, everything is retracing because of DXY. But JPY is also retracing. Means USD JPY is probably going up. Yep. Retracing here. Entity cat is so annoying, man. What the hell? Odd entities is annoying as well. We're decreasing sell momentum here, and what I like is this divergence again. Here, lots of sell volume, not able to push the price down. EURUSD could now retest this support area here. Yep. Gotta take care about my cat JPY trade. I placed a buy limit here just for a little scalp, slightly in profit, but yeah, gotta be carefully. This looks like a nice clean fake out. Oh, a false breakout. Yeah, DXY retracing. Now where we at DXY? At this bottom again. At the bottom. There's the resistance. Could retrace until here.
There is no escaping from what's hiding inside.
So I want to check my scalps.
The fairy tales, the fairy tales. How can I go through all the things you do? Gave my crown to you. Dedicate myself to whatever you're commanding, just to hear you say my name and tell me I'm the one you love, you love. Tell me I'm the one you love, you love. Tell me it feels right, babe. Never leave my side, babe. Tell me I'm the one you love, you love. And tell me I'm the one.
Euro GBP coming back could be a fake out, always possible. And we see lots of accumulation of volume here.
Sweet talk you're saying, about to mess up my mind. Getting you
Are you guys in with me or what's the matter?
right under my feet, so tell me how can I go through all the things
So retest of this support area now, and if it's not moving out, I'm ready to close it. If it's moving further to the downside,
and tell me I'm the one you love, you love. Tell me I'm the one you
Testing the support here. High volume node. It should bounce off here. Here's the high volume node. Well, lots of buys came in. It should bounce off here. If not, early exit. Entity cat annoying again. Cat JPY going up. That's what I like to see. DXY continues to move up.
You tell me, I tell you that you're my only. Honestly, don't think we're telling each other how we feel. As if we're forever, how we so lonely.
Now it's just observing.
You tell me, I tell you
Observation.
perfect harmony.
What I like to see is that gold is not really dropping down while DXY is retracing. This is showing definitely a strong demand. Pretty nice. I like to see this. So I'm gonna be carefully here. USD hit was hitting the support area here. Okay, JPY moving up, very nice. Come on, continue, move up. Retrace a bit. I'm gonna take profit, it's just a scalp trade. What do I stop losses here? Half of my risk earned. Hold on, guys. We at this high volume node. I see here's accumulation. Look at the volume here. You see how the buy volume ticks up. Like there's still EURGBP a chance that it moves up. I've just seen some ticks here. There's accumulation going on. Gotta be patient a bit. When you see the breakthrough here, we can immediately close it. But for now, the market is kind of accumulating volume here. We just need to see who's gonna win. If the sellers win and we break through this support area, then we might close it, but for now it looks good. Now look at EURGBP. Shall we execute this trade, guys? What do you think? It's risky because JXY had a lot of you know, demand, but look, it's a nice setup technically.
Come home, pour yourself a drink. You're late every evening. That's just your thing. You're free, got no boundaries. There are no rules you need to keep. Your timing cheap. Dear, all on the other side. You're just right. Grass is always greener. Trying to get what they need. You succeed.
What do you think, guys? GBP JPY.
your head and work harder instead.
Mate, JPY gave me a shock this morning. I dropped 70 pips in seconds. I'm staying away. Yeah, like I said, it's because of the news from Japan. I think everyone who was invested against JPY had a shock this morning. Because JPY is hella strong. Guys, I'm gonna execute this setup here. It is when I look at the volume, wait, it's a risky one. Like, I would not recommend to execute it if you are not willing to risk. But to see, there's a lot of accumulation here. Nice fake out, strong volatility to the downside, sell pressure without any effect here. Very nice accumulation, lots of bias in the market. So I'm gonna execute this setup. Did I write it down, by the way? Or did I forget it? Day trade execution. No. Let's see, I think I'm going to take profit cat JPY. I don't want to have too much risk. I just took profit for cat JPY, just a little bit of profit, it's okay. DXY could retrace from here on now. Means GBP USD would get more demand. We would see more demand for GBP USD, and this could boost GBP JPY here. Wait. Still waiting a bit, but I think I'm gonna execute that one. Yeah. So I'm gonna execute that one. GBP, JPY. Feels like I'm floating. You move the seas, it's all for me. You know it's true. When I'm without you. 24. For those who want to follow this trade, it's like I said, I'm very aggressively. I won't give him much time to move against me. I'm gonna post it here with a low risk, please, but very aggressive management. What pips is that? 24. GBP, JPY. Came in. Feels like magic, it's so automatic. No one makes me feel the way that you do when I'm alone with you. Yeah, feels like magic. Gonna post that one.
Feels like I'm floating. You move the seas, it's all for me. You know it's true. And when I'm without you, it feels like I'm drowning. I'm recklessly and hopelessly chasing after you. And this feels like magic. It's so automatic. No one makes me feel the way that you do. When I'm alone with you, yeah, it feels like magic.
Like I said, it's a very, very risky trade. But is even if you have the news, it is very likely that you get a retracement. GP, JPY. Oh, my headache. Fuck it, man. Pullback trade. Okay. Annoying.
I'm feeling you every day. You're in my mind, so far away. As kingdoms fall, times will change, but don't let me go. Just a
I think I'm gonna close Euro GBP. It's too shaky for me. I'm out break even, or with a little bit of profit, because we already have a lot of risk in. GBP JPY is risky now. We still in entity cat. We still in gold. Wow, what a retracement! What a retracement! Yeah. Still in silver. Silver pretty stable, pretty good. NZD cat good. Alt NZD annoying. I think I'm gonna close it right now, break even. But overall green. So I just closed Euro GBP with $1 profit. Yay! At least some earnings, minus taxes. Hey Ali, how you doing, buddy? Oh. Headache. Oh, I exited the trade right in time. Right in time. Nice. Yeah, GBP USD going up here. Yeah, what I was concerned about is still the fact that Euro USD bounced off the resistance and GBP USD broke the resistance. So that's why I was a bit, concerned about that trade. So yeah, Euro GBP could actually break to the top side and I'm good. Profit one. What you mean, buddy? What you mean with profit one? Oh guys, I really gotta go soon. My head is about to explode. I wouldn't wish cluster headache to anyone. Not even to my fiend, man. It's like, fuck. My head is exploding. And I already took a painkiller. I think I need another one and some water. I think I already told you that sometimes I have these extreme headaches. Nice retest. I like that. Looks pretty healthy. Fuck. Nice. JPY is JPY. Look, man, we're gonna get quick profit here. Yay! Nice. quick profit. Right in time, guys. And all of this, when you do something like this, we don't have JXY as an example now, but when you look at the major pairs and you want to, you know, a USD pairs, and you see it's very likely that DXY is going to retrace with this high and GBP is likely to go up, and you see the performance of GBP is very nice, and JPY already had a strong fall. It's very likely that you're gonna get at least a strong retracement. Thanks for your ideas, mate. No, you're welcome, buddy. I saw 2 trade packages on your website. Jesus. Yeah. What about them, buddy? What about them? Oh. Gosh. NZD CAT finally moving up. So CAT JPY probably. Let's see if CAT JPY makes it back above this this resistance, we will probably execute the trade. Let's see. Well, it's not gonna break. It's a breakout here. Oh, NZD dropping now. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, shit. Next retracement gonna close it. The next retracement. Sick of it. I'm sick of it. Why don't you just move the hell up the way you want it? You want to follow this trend. Now we've seen a break back below the support. Too bad. Profit $1, better than lose. Yes. Let's have a look at Euro GBP again. I want to see what I would have lost or won. But I see, look, I already see it. Look, Euro USD standing still, while GBP USD is going up. Means Euro GBP would have been red right now. Yep, look. It would have been red. This is where we executed. This is where I took profit. Now would be red. So it was a good choice to get out. That's what we should focus on. Management. We should always focus on management. It's likely that Euro goes up now because DXY creates a higher low at this resistance. Very likely to see a move down now for DXY. And yeah, gold should go up, silver should continue to go up, and NZD can finally break this resistance. Please. Oh.
At those pictures when I hear that song come on, I swear I see you in the street, your favorite red dress on. Those summer nights with our favorite song. When I get too low, I put that record on. When it's cold outside and I'm all alone, I put that record on.
Change our match made above, beyond the stars.
No matter what it takes, no matter if it breaks, we're gonna stay on this balloon. Yeah.
Careful.
On a bunch of
Trace
fakes, we carry our weight. The place for us is gonna show up soon. 'Cause we're connected in parallel, parallel, breathing in parallel. There is a place for us, a place for us. When I look at my phone and think of you, you always call. We're synchronized like we are as one. We are as one. If there is a past life, we were combined right from the start. Even through ages, we
Doesn't
are
not bounce out. We're gonna close.
at heart. No
Get Jackie White dropping.
no matter if it breaks, we're gonna stay on
Dropping as well. Where's the Jackie White dropping?
bunch of fakes. We carry our weight.
Could be another move by JXY.
Show up soon. 'Cause we're connected in parallel, parallel, breathing in parallel. There is a place for us, a place for us.
What do you think about GBP odd? Dude, I don't think about anything about this. It's just a choppy shit asset. I don't trade it. Honestly. It's really annoying to trade it. I don't know why everyone likes GBP odd and GBP or GBP odd generally. It's just when you look at the daily chart, nothing. It's ranging. And it's still stuck between a support and a trend line resistance. So not really interesting. Well guys, I've gotta go now. Oh, it's already 12:20. Gotta get ready soon for work, and I gotta get rid of my headache somehow. Gotta get rid of it. So guys, I'm out right now. I will go. Just took some silver profit.
Now I got you, I won't let you go. You got that thing that I've been looking for, and you got off of the go. And that's really turning me on, yeah. You are everything that I dreamed of. Now we can paint a picture.
Oh gosh, completely driving me crazy right now in my head. Anyways guys, I'm out for now. Manage this one aggressively. If you see a break below this area, instantly close it, like it's a very risky trade. Hope you had a great week so far. Next stream will be on Monday. I'm still trying to find time to stream on weekend for the preparation, but I'm always like, you know, weekend is like family time, and you know. So yeah, don't trade too much guys. I see you on Monday or on Telegram. I'm out for now. Good luck, lots of profits, lots of pips. Peace.